Hello friends, how are you? Today we will make Chinese paper lalten. For lalten we will use A4 size any color paper, scissor and a stapler or glue. First step, cut the side strip from the paper which we will use handle and put the side from now. Second step, take it paper and fold it half horizontally. Step third, take the scissor and cut the paper as shown in their videos and make sure that is equal while cutting it. Step 4, open the paper and make it cylindrical shape and use a stapler to staple the side and your lalten is ready. Step 5, take this strip of the paper which you have cut in the starting from the handle and staple it of the top of the lalten. And here your Chinese paper lalten is ready. Thank you.